The problem says that there are N'th stairs and a person standing at the bottom want to reach the top. The person can climb either one stairs or two stairs at a time. Count the number of ways the person can reach the top. Order doesn't matter. The idea of this code is to count the number of ways a person can reach the top of a staircase with n steps, where they can climb either one or two stairs at a time. Explain this code step by step. First, the problem can be solved using a mathematical approach without the need for dynamic programming or recursion. The number of ways to reach the top is equal to the number of ways to partition the n steps into groups of 1 and 2. Then, since the order does not matter, we only need to count the number of partitions. The key insight is that the number of partitions is equal to the number of ways to divide n by 2 plus 1. This is because each partition can have either one or two steps in each group, and the number of groups is equal to the n by 2. Therefore, the formula to calculate the number of ways is n by 2 plus 1. The solution has a time complexity of big O 1 since it only involves a simple arithmetic operation. The space complexity is big O 1 since no additional space is needed.